Hi there everybody, you're traveling with me, Jack, and of course as always with my beautiful heavenly wife, Pam. And you've clicked on because you want to see what can $1,550 a month get you in Phoenix, Arizona. Well, in my case, probably a lot more than you expected. How about gated, covered, assigned parking, and oh, did I mention mountain views in the distance, and beautiful palm trees at no extra charge. First of all, it's a beautiful gated community, only a couple of hundred units. And you can see as you go down the hallways, look at that, tile walkways. Now in this particular complex, we've got 1-bedroom and 2-bedroom units. Now the 1-bedroom units, though, I should add, have an inn as well. And we're going to look at that, but take a look out here. First of all, oh yeah, a nice cool and refreshing pool, lots of nice shaded areas, and even some barbecue pit areas as well. But of course, I know what you want to do. You want to see the inside of a unit. So here we go. We're going to check out Home Sweet Home. I'm going to tell you right off the bat, nice little entryway opening up into a beautiful and spacious living area. Take a look at that. You've also got wood floors. Come back around here to that entryway that we were showing you. Very nicely appointed, and look at this, a nice half bath here. That makes it really nice when you have guests. You've got a coat closet here to the right. Look at this cool little area. Nice, huh? Some cabinetry, some counter space there. I've got a sleeper sofa, so I have guests, they'll stay on that. Then they can use that half bath, but also use my bathroom, of course, for their showers and such. Here's the added bonus to the 1-bedrooms here. This is a beautiful den area. Now I do apologize, a little messy. That's my desk and where I work and such. But you can see it's nicely appointed. And if you didn't want it to be an office area, you could probably put in a small bed. Then look at this. A nice big outdoor patio. It's nice and shaded too. Even on those 100-degree days, it's still pretty pleasant out here. And there's the view you can see of the pool area. And down there, way down there, those are barbecue pits. And storage, we've got plenty of that. Look at that, big storage closet unit. And I've still got some room in there. Now, as we come back around, we'll close up the old slider, show you a little bit more. How about this? A formal dining area. And it's nice and spacious as well. In here, a kitchen. Now, I'm going to point out, these units are probably 30, 40 years old, but as people move out, they flip them and completely renovate them. And you can see this is really nice. All stainless appliances, cabinets, and take a look at this. It's got the kind of drawers that, yeah, the soft touch, I believe, is what they're called. And there's a window, and then as you come around here, in this other little hallway, looky here. That's right, no going to the laundromat. You've got a nice size stack washer dryer. In here, this is the master suite, and it is big. I think it's about 12 by 17. And then that window gives you a nice view over the pool. Come around in here, this is the master bathroom. Ooh, there we go. Nice and large. And more closet space. Nice big walk-in closet. I mean, oh, who's that guy back there? Yeah, that's an old promotional item that we had from my television days. Again, this is all $1,550 a month. Did I mention they also pay my water, sewer, and trash? And again, that covered, gated parking that's assigned, no extra charges for that as well. So that concludes my little tour of what $1,550 a month in rent gets me in Phoenix, Arizona. Now, I know in the comments section, people are going to start going ballistic saying, no way, I'm paying $2,000, I'm paying $3,000. What you got to do is get out there and look. No, this is not one of those brand new trendy apartment complexes, but it is well maintained. It's in a beautiful area. I'm within walking distance. I can get over to like the mountains, Biltmore Resort. There's shopping, there's restaurants. It's a really, really nice area. And again, all this for $1,550 a month. One thing in Arizona they do though, they have a small sales tax. I don't remember the exact percentage, but after sales tax on your rent, Mine comes in at $1,585.86. But still, the point being, if you get out there and you really shop, don't necessarily go after the newest and shiniest place. Some of the older, well-maintained properties that are undergoing some renovations, they've still got some nice deals. I think what the deal is here is the fact we've got good ownership of this particular apartment complex, and they're not greedy. They want to keep it affordable for folks, and it's very quiet, it's nice, it's neat, I like it, and so that's it. Now, some of you may ask, well, tell us where it is, give us the address. I can't do that. This is on YouTube. I don't need the whole world coming over and trying to find me. But I can tell you, it's in North Phoenix, okay? Near the Scottsdale line, not that far from Scottsdale as well. So it is in a very nice area. So I hope that helps you as you, you want to ask about utilities? Highest utility bill I've had, and I've been here for a year, and yes, that includes running air conditioning, $87. Pretty darn reasonable, isn't it? Hey, take care. Keep subscribing to our channel. Share this video, please. Also, don't forget we have a donation button on the channel if you'd like to support us financially as well. It's up on the banner of the desktop edition, or click on About, and you'll see a link there where you can do a donation as well. Till we see you next time, make it a great day. Better yet, a better tomorrow. Bye now from Phoenix.